If you're a proud owner of a Steam Deck or Steam Deck OLED, I've news for you. Guess what? You're in for a treat. Valve has rolled out a fresh batch of beta updates that bring some fantastic new features and much-needed bug fixes. Intrigued? Let's check out all the juicy details. Game recording feature finally arrives. First and foremost, the headline feature of this update is the long-awaited game recording functionality. Valve has introduced this feature in the game recording beta, and it's now available on the Steam Deck's beta and preview software channels. This means you can now capture your epic gameplay moments directly on your Steam Deck. If you want to know how to enable this feature, make sure to check out our dedicated article for all the steps and tips. Steam OS 3.6.7 and 3.6.8 beta updates. Valve has also pushed SteamOS 3.6.7 to its preview channel. This is one of the final steps before an update is deemed stable, and it includes a bug fix for washed-out colors when using Steam Remote Play as a client. Additionally, SteamOS 3.6.8 beta has been released, addressing an annoying update error prompt that appeared when clicking on the Preview Update Channel submenu. Comprehensive beta client updates. While the SteamOS updates are essential, the real magic lies in the recent beta client updates from June 26th and June 27th. These updates bring a host of improvements and fixes across various areas of the Steam Deck experience. Valve has updated the client and OS beta settings to include a new preview build of SteamOS for testing purposes. There's a new recording and screenshot manager that makes it easier to handle your recordings and screenshots. For users with large game libraries, you'll notice faster startup and better performance, which is always a plus. They've also fixed issues with collections based on friends not updating properly and errors in displaying certain collections. Other miscellaneous bugs have been squashed, including mispositioned background glows on game capsules, errors with the search box, and issues with updating SteamOS from version 3.6.7 when opted into the preview channel. For those who use their Steam Deck in desktop mode, there are several enhancements. Mispositioned background glows on hover and app grids have been corrected. The hover effect for trading cards is now fixed. The soundtracks and all games shelves on the homepage now properly apply the app type filter, preventing issues where no items would appear. The new game recording feature has also received several tweaks to enhance its usability. Incorrect formatting on the clip cancel button in some languages has been fixed. Spurious game recording toggle and timeline marker shortcut keys being processed in some direct input 8 games have been addressed. Issues with recording the microphone have been fixed. Various fixes for the media manager, including NaN showing in the confirmation dialog when deleting local screenshots, and the delete button tooltip have been resolved. The recording and screenshots context menu now opens correctly in its own window. Default clip file names are now set correctly in the overlay file dialog. The display recording UI has been improved, especially when it's smaller sizes. Deleting screenshots now immediately updates the recordings and screenshots grid. Fixes for multi-select screenshot uploads from the recordings and screenshots grids, preventing errors after upload completion. Added support for non-Latin character file paths for game recording folders and exported clips locations. If recording is disabled, the overlay now shows a button explaining it is disabled with a link to enable it rather than a non-functional recording toggle button. Fixed issues with the export clip dialog not allowing saving on Linux. What's next for Steam Deck? Valve is continually working to improve the Steam Deck experience, and these updates show their commitment. While these features are currently in beta, it won't be long before they make their way to the stable release, giving all the users access to these fantastic new tools and fixes. How to get these updates? If you're excited to try out these new features, you can switch to the beta or preview channels on your Steam Deck. Go to Settings, open the Settings menu on your Steam Deck. Navigate to the System section. Under the Software Updates section, change your update channel to Beta or Preview. By switching to these channels, you'll get early access to the latest features and fixes, though keep in mind that beta software can sometimes be a bit buggy. Final thoughts. The Steam Deck continues to evolve, and Valve's dedication to improving the device is evident with each update. The addition of game recording and the numerous bug fixes and performance improvements make the Steam Deck an even more compelling handheld gaming device. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into the new features, explore the beta updates, and keep gaming on your Steam Deck. And as always, stay tuned for more updates and improvements from Valve. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment down below letting us know your thoughts, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more awesome content like this. See you in the next one.